need is a bucket. We need water inside here. And we need paper and glue. Okay, first, we're going to get water. So, here I am. I'm back, guys, to get some water. So, I'm gonna put water in the bucket. Oops. Okay, guys, I'm back where I am. First, we have to rip the paper and soak it in water. Here, let's put all the paper in water. I think this is okay now. Time to mix them up. They're mixed up. They look like leaves. So, let's leave it here for 30 minutes. I'm back and we're going to transfer the water. First, we're gonna squeeze them. Now, let's stir them into small pieces. They are dry now. I'm back now. Let's add a little bit of this in here. There. Now let's add some glue. Here. That's it. And here we have a spatula. We're gonna mix it like rice and mayo. It's creamy. So creamy. Mix those goodies. Okay, I think our mixture is ready now. Let's put them on our bucket. Let's flatten it. So, my mom helped me spread the glue because I got a little bit itchy from the glue. And we will get all of this. I'm back. So, my mommy is done helping me. And then, we have to dry it for a long hour. So, guys, I'm back. So, the bowl is dry now. We're gonna decorate it with cotton first. Okay guys, here's my finished product. But the last thing we have to do is add some rocks. And we can add this stuff. Let's pour them. So there you go. Thanks for watching.